video. Anyways, look at the smoke alarms today, Tuesday, the 20th or whatever. Just your normals. I don't know how reliable those would be. Are they even UL listed? And if so, is it legit? And then a fire department found out the hard way. There was at like a kind of like an antique store, and I found one like that. But the dream ended before I could buy it, so. And I don't think it was that much. Code 1 manual, first alert manual. There's that one. You saw that in my Amway video. And there's that one. That's the same user I got mine from. The silent call. That's the newer version. I wonder if that would be compatible with the strobe I found. I think it would be. The old style Gentex. Not the old style, but old box, I should say. Gentex. Oh, we coming with you everywhere I've already seen. Yep. Right there. So, that's it for that one. Alright. 23rd, I think. Yep. 23rd. Of course, going to see it down there. Anyways, here we go. Based on the universal smoke signal. Nothing that catch me by surprise or cool. Cool 300. That's pretty cool. I've got one. Coleman Shelter. Interesting fact. That's how that design started. Then it went to Firex. Firex is a consumer level brand or design. They were a division of Coleman for a while too. Gentex roller, that's pretty cool. Now they're having old Gentex smoke, but that's still pretty cool. Yeah, so there's a Gentex. Newer one. Okay, here we go. Ow. Missed yesterday because we were in Rochester. So far, nothing I can't live without. Of course, you can't live without smoke detectors anyways. But I meant nothing rare, unique, or valuable. And that's kind of rare because it's an older version of the double system Firex lighter, which is kind of ironic because the lighter can start a fire, which the alarms are there to protect you from. And there's two of those TC49As. It's pretty rare and unique. Where those a couple more of those Nalcors. So that one, these don't have the silencer. Think about that one. I've got the, of course you've seen the version with the silencer that I've got. Alright, that's the third. Didn't see anything on the second, so it's one of those like I have, except this one's white. Gentex with the strobe, which is working. You can see the green LED in there. Not much today either. In fact, that's it. Alright, Monday, Fire Prevention Week. Look at that one. Gentex one 400. Where? Photoelectric. Think about that one. I'd like to get one this week. In honor of Fire Prevention Week. That was relisted. That's a pretty cool book. Look at that detector. I think that's some form of statitrol. Right there. Definitely looks like some form of static troll detector. Well, it doesn't matter anyways, because there's that one. And look at how much money they want for it. I didn't even notice that. Holy crap. That's a lot of money for a smoke alarm. Upside down. Anyways, it's whatever. 7th. Nothing. Except for that, that's pretty cool. I might consider getting one of those sometime. Well, I think there is a detector in there amongst those. Right there. I do believe. That's the question, though. Do they say ADT on the back of them? Or is it just kidding? Okay. The 8th. June the 8th. We missed the EverSafe. I saw one with the child locator. I missed it. Let's hope to God that it was relisted. But we'll see. Maybe it was. Maybe it was sent to somewhere else. That's pretty rare. Let's see, ESL 509, like this. Okay. There's that one. Pretty expensive though. These sellers think they're sitting on a gold mine. Whatever. That's pretty unique. Even though it's basically an EI alarm. But I don't recognize that name though. Naughty. I wonder if the seller came from the UK and brought that with them. Like I said, I don't recognize it. I don't recognize the name. This was more of a, I forgot about that. More of a localized show or property, kids' property or whatever. Ooh, crash. Well, we've seen all there is to be seen anyway, so. Oh, okay. The 9th. Day 6 of Fire Prevention Week. Oop, except for that. Holy sh! Not for that much though. Damn, people think you're sitting on a gold mine? Alright, it's the 10th. Last day of Fire Prevention Week. So if I don't see anything after today, or after this one, I think I'm going to get that Decon photoelectric, or the Tentec photoelectric one. Yes, we are. I just noticed there's 2 of these available. Well, buy it now. If the webpage would actually load. And there we go. So those 2 Decon or Tentec / Decon 400s are on their way. Okay, it's the 14th. Didn't see anything yesterday. One of those. I don't have one of those. Maybe. Ooh, oh, that poor box. Well, there's that. I don't think it's the same one though. Yeah, I don't think it's the same. Well, I'm not sure. It looks like the same. Looks like the same pictures. Let's check my older videos. Other than that, nothing really interesting though. Lots of cool stuff. Well, speaking of that, looks like someone put a different label on it. Looks like there's a Candela marker there too. 177. That's cool. Yep. So that's enough for today. And let's go back to that alarm, that EverSafe, because if I can find it. There it is. So let's go back to this, because it is the same one. It's been relisted. Here's the old picture. So it's been relisted, and even $1 less. So I'm gonna put a bid in there. There it is. So, let's hope I get it. Probably will, but we'll see. Alright, it's, well, whatever. Put my watch down. 16th or whatever. Those are pretty cool. Put an electric detector with thermal on it. Heat detector. There was nothing yesterday. Oh, look at this. The 907s. Now you can scroll anytime you want to, but I prefer you do it right now. Yeah, a couple 907s. 2 available. Well, what? 2 available, but there's 3 of them there. Huh? Got a couple of them, but post that to the forums. Another one of those thermal detectors. With one of those though. 1839N and I. Alright, it's the 20th. We missed the weekend because I was at my brother's surprise birthday party. And I missed yesterday because my helper got a brand new minivan, and by the time I got done with that and then editing a Boston Fire Department recording, it was already late at night, so we're gonna have a lot of stuff to look through today. We're gonna have a lot of stuff. Look, there's a 2-pack with LEDs. They're starting to filter into the States now, as I mentioned in my LED video. Oh, there's that one again. Let's try to sell the poor things. There's a photoelectric one. If only I could find a photoelectric one that looks exactly like that. That's a cool picture. 1984 press photo. Giving her a Family Guard FG777C. Speaking of that, there's one location I forgot about those The Jamesville YMCA had them in their stairways. No, the same one I mentioned in my Thrifting Chronicles video. I'm not even sure if I mentioned that there. I don't think I did, but anyways. Then what was weird is they put something, that's relisted. Anyway, they put, I think, like their stamp on it, like their return address stamp on it. Like on the side or something. I'm still the high bidder on those Everetties. Or the Eveready, not those. It's kind of rare because it's got the thermal sensor on it. Those. Here's these. Save a life. When I got my, whatchamacallit, my Fire King binder, they had literature for that. There was a testimonial where they had one in the living room and it went off. And the husband walks in the living room, find it with a gray mist and the back of the TV glowing orange. It's scary.